you are going to have a huge water crisis. It already started in Bangalore, Delhi cities already started. If water tank is not coming in for a single day, people are already on the street. People won't be able to survive. They're living on municipal water. So there is no other source. WHO announced in India in 2025 that there would be water crisis as many parts of the country already lost minimum organic content in the soil. That means losing our foundational natural resource, which is soil or the mother earth. Okay. Now read this part and let me know is it everything is
Example.
so we gave the explanation part as opposed to like the building constructions. First, we give this. This is our main idea, topic sentence introduction. First step. Second step, we gave explanation part. What quite a little good explanation, and then we gave example. Example, you can if you want, you can make it shorter as well. So how many words